Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone 15 Pro Max is unlocked and running the latest iOS. This avoids missing menus. Once done, tap Settings from your home screen or App Library and scroll until you see Camera. It's grouped near Display and Brightness. You do this because camera preferences control system-level capture options, not the camera app's temporary toggles. Make sure to pause if Settings is updating. You can't change capture defaults during an update. Now tap Camera, then record video to view capture options. This is where HDR video lives. You'll see an HDR video toggle. Switch it off to stop the phone from recording in Dolby Vision HDR. Do this because HDR affects color grading and file compatibility. Turning it off produces standard dynamic range files that are easier to edit. Make sure to verify the resolution and frame rate below the toggle, so you keep your preferred 4K or 1080p setting. Finish by opening the camera app and recording a quick clip to confirm the output is standard dynamic range. Play it back and check metadata or color saturation. If HDR still appears, restart your iPhone and revisit settings. Sometimes a reboot is needed to apply the change. If problems continue, reset camera settings or check third-party apps that may force HDR, update, or revoke their camera permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot first, because many setting glitches clear with a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.